Tired of guessing which item is really the one you want in your Roblox games? Let's unlock the secret to finding any item's ID right here, right now, on your phone. Alright, first things first, let's launch the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the search icon located, usually, at the bottom of your screen. It looks like a magnifying glass. In the search bar, type in the name of the item you're looking for. For example, if you want to find a hat, type hat. After that, tap the catalog button. Browse through the catalog and select the specific item you want the ID for. Tap on its image to open the item's details page. Now, look at the very top of your screen. At the address bar, you might need to tap on it to fully reveal the URL. Inside that URL, you'll see a series of numbers, usually after the words catalog, that long number. That is your item ID. You can copy this number down and use it in your projects. Just highlight the number, copy it, and paste it wherever you need it in your scripts, commands, or anything else. It's that simple. Now you have the power to identify and use any item in Roblox with pinpoint accuracy. Go forth and create.